This tutorial will serve as an introduction to using actions, macros, and buttons. And open actions. Execute add action and select the action type you would like to create an action that will display a message on the screen for me. This will be TotalVu show message. Appropriate and meaningful action name. Next, you want to insert any desired message under the message tab. For instance, and click OK. With my action created and saved, and now need something to execute it, I will use a button to do this for me. And get into display. Click Add Button. And you will want to name the button. The default is that name will appear also as a caption. That can be changed here at any time. It does not need to match the name of the button. As the default location is top left. Various ways to move it, the easiest of which I think, just by clicking page up and page down when you have the value of the location highlighted. You can also change the height and the width. Then click the action that we just made to that action. I can also give it a different color. Looks like that color might do better with white text. And press OK. Now we can verify that this button works. You'll see the message has appeared. Now a macro is a list of actions to be executed in order. Way that an action is created. But in order to illustrate this, I'm going to create two more actions. First thing I'm going to create is a sleep delay. This is under action sleep. Second, here tells me it's going to sleep for 1,000 milliseconds. Supply the actual delay. I'm also going to configure another message. Now to put this macro together, select Add Action in the same way we added the other actions, except this time the new action will be Action Macro, Execute List of Actions. They will be executed in the order to which they appear on the top here. To go between the two. Now exit out of Actions and the configuration. Open up Display and assign this to a button. I'm going to used before. Now this button should be ready. There's that first message. It waits a second. Second message. Another feature of macros is the ability to interrupt and stop their execution. Duration. This action will be reset action list of the macro that we just made. Now I'm going to assign this action to a separate button under display. Move it to an appropriate location. And we also need to make sure that it has associated to it the action that we just made. Macro reset. Love it. Now to test it, I'm going to click this and click this before we get the second message. Now notice we never got that second message. And this has been Tutorials by Joel.